Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the river Rijn of De Rijn. This is the way us Dutchies say De Rijn. De Rijn. There is no emphasis. De Rijn. All the letters will be pronounced. No rolling R is needed if you're having trouble with it, so you can leave that rolling R, the R, out of it and just say De Rijn. I am going on a trip on the river Rijn. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!